Is this software as a service stock too cheap to ignore? Let's talk about it. The stock that I'm going to talk about is not a leader in what it does, but it has high teens percentage growth rate, great balance sheet, and good margins. It trades at a price to sales of 4, which in my opinion is cheap. Before I continue, I just ask if you can take a second to like this video, as that will motivate me to do more videos. Thank you all for your support. Now, the stock that I will talk about is Freshworks, ticker symbol FRSH. It's trading at $11 at the time of this recording with a market cap of 3.2 billion. Now, for the past 12 months, the revenue was close to $800 million, making the price to sales ratio of 4. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about the business model, the financials, and the valuation. Please note this is not financial advice. I'm not qualified to give financial advice. At the time of this recording, I do not own any shares or options of Freshworks. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue growing together. Now, let us first talk about the business model. Freshworks is a software as a service company. The company's software as a service solutions include customer experience and employee experience. Customer experience products include Freshdesk, a ticketing and case management solution, Freshdesk Omni for customer service, Freshchat that provides agents with a modern conversation experience to proactively engage customers across digital messaging channels, Freshsales, an advanced and user-friendly sales automation solution, and Freshmarketer, a marketing automation solution for businesses to connect with customers across their preferred channels. Employee experience products include Freshservice that offers virtual agents to help employees resolve issues, make requests, and answer questions without contacting the service desk. Device42, which provides IT discovery and dependency mapping solutions. It also provides Freshworks platform, an AI-powered enterprise-grade foundation for all Freshworks products. Now, I will talk about some numbers. Starting with the revenue growth. Revenue growth in the past 2 quarters has been in the high teens percentage. The operating income is slightly negative, but moving in the right direction. Margins are good. Gross margins are in the order of 80%. Free cash flow margins are good. Operating and net profit margins are heading in the right direction. Now, the balance sheet is amazing. This is a $3.2 billion company that has close to $1 billion of cash and equivalents with low debt of 36 million. Now, let us look at some growth catalysts. AI integration is expected to drive growth in 2026. They focus on medium to low budget customers. They're also counting on international expansion outside North America. They are already getting a good chunk of the revenue from outside the US. Freshworks is also taking steps to boost brand visibility. Now, Freshworks has authorized 400 million of stock buybacks. So far, they bought back 127 million worth. There is still close to 275 million left that can potentially buy 10% of the company. So overall, I see a company that has good numbers and growth catalyst. This should trade at a price to sales of 10 once the market sentiment turns positive. They could potentially do that with AI integration, international expansion, and brand visibility. Now, based on the current price to sales of 4, I'm looking at 2.5x gain. Now, I will talk about the risks. First, Freshworks is not a leader in this space. There is competition in the form of Salesforce and HubSpot. This is already a crowded market. Second, since their customers are small and mid-sized businesses, any macroeconomic uncertainty will hit them harder than their competitors. Third, the majority of Freshworks revenue is generated outside the US, making its financials vulnerable to current currency exchange rate fluctuations. Now, are you interested in Freshworks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.